Hello guys, my name is Monica Rawal and you're watching No Rating Movie Review with HT City. And today I'm going to talk about Haseen Dilruba, the latest mystery thriller now streaming on Netflix. Let's start with Dinesh Pandit. Who is Dinesh Pandit? Neither the narrator nor a physical character in the film, but he's there throughout. Taapsee Pannu as Rani Kashyap swears by his mystery novels and hence keeps on quoting his one-liners in whatever situation she finds herself in. Then there is Vikrant Massey as Rishu, who might have had read just one novel by Dinesh Pandit, but that is enough for him to decide his course of actions. So Dinesh Pandit remains an integral part of the script. Directed by Vinyl Matthew, Haseen Dilruba is a twisted tale of love that lives up to the genre it belongs to, a mystery thriller with some crazy twists and unexpected turns. The film keeps you on the edge till the very end. If you can guess the climax, good for you, but it does have a lot in store to keep you thinking what's going to happen next. The story revolves around Rani Kashyap, who is under investigation as a suspect in her husband's Rishu's murder. Police believes that she conspired with her lover Neil, played by Harshvardhan Rane, and killed Rishu. But through a series of flashback sequences, Rani narrates details of her marriage that only complicates the case further. What I loved about Haseen Dilruba is that the director maintained a consistent pace throughout his storytelling and did not have too many low points in the film. No needless plots either to distract you. A cleverly written take on the arranged marriage scenario in our country, Haseen Dilruba is relatable in many ways. The nok-jhok between Saas Bahu, Sasurji being a silent spectator, the boy getting sandwiched between the mother and the wife. These tropes have been used to add elements of humor. There's a bit of a gore when the murder happens, and that's not for the weak-hearted. At least I did not enjoy that bit as much as I enjoyed the rest of the film. Taapsee Pannu is in full form and has only upped her game with Haseen Dilruba. From Delhi to Jwalapur, she manages to get into the skin of Rani before and after Shadi. After Thappad last year that won her several accolades for portraying a strong-headed woman who stands up against violence in her married life, this time again Taapsee has shown a different facet of being a young married girl trying to make her marriage work. Vikrant Massey as Rishu is a simple guy in an arranged marriage who does think a lot before getting intimate with his wife. And he is quite relatable in the sense when he gets jealous and super angry on learning about his wife's infidelity. Here I would like to mention about Harshvardhan Rane, who has been duly objectified as this guy with bulging biceps, muscles and six-pack abs. Every woman's dream guy, or maybe not. Nevertheless, I somehow felt that his character sketch lacked depth and logic. I mean, he abruptly enters the script and vanishes in the same way, and then comes back leaving you a bit confused as to what does he really want. That being said, the references to Dinesh Pandit's novel is perhaps among the newest things in a film that we've seen in a long time. Hats off to writer Kanika Dhillon for conceptualizing this whole concept with dialogues that aren't too over the top. Through her writing, Kanika also makes a point that she lets the hero of the film, Rani Kashyap, shine. Despite having two male co-stars, Taapsee holds her fort quite brilliantly. While at some point you may feel there is no logic in the story, or particularly the climax, but then if a film manages to purely entertain you, why complain? So watch Haseen Dilruba for some freshness and newness in the characters and a dark yet engaging narrative. You may not completely agree with it, but you won't get bored either. This is me signing off for now. See you next time with a new review. Till then, stay home, stay safe and wear your mask.